Namaste. We are on the part 6 of the Shuddhi Chakras activation, the activation of the psychic portals of the 6 chakras. We have now reached the 6th, which is the Ajna Chakra, the third eye chakra activation. So, as always, to get started, sit either in Siddhasana if you are following from the previous activations of the videos we have already done, or you can change your feet, you can sit in a perfect lotus or whichever meditation posture works for you. Place your hands in Chin Mudra. Have your back erect but comfortable, relaxed. And like also entire body comfortable, relaxed but strong at the same time. If you are like me, if you are located in a place like me that you can have a lot of sun, this works a lot in activation of the third chakra. So you can, while we're doing this, while we're feeling the pulsation, you can also start feeling the pulsation also from the sun, helping you to activate your third eye. So close your eyes and the instructions will start as soon as we get into that position. I will be silent through the practice, but I will have my voice already recorded, and you can follow this like you did in the previous meditations. If you have not checked them, please go ahead and check them. Tomorrow we are going to go on the crown and a full fast activation of all the chakras, and you can follow that as well. Let's start. Bring the awareness to the eyebrow center and hold your attention at this point. Become aware of the eyebrow center. This point is known as Trikuti. Center your whole awareness at this point. Try to feel the rhythmic pulsation at the eyebrow center. Intensify your awareness of the pulsation at this point. Now move your awareness straight back to the top of the spine, in the middle of the head. This is the location of your Ajna Chakra. Hold your awareness at this point and feel the pulsation there. Intensify your awareness at this point of Ajna Chakra. Be aware of the natural breath. Imagine that you are breathing in and out between these 2 points that I'm showing you right now in the video. Feel the breath entering the body through the eyebrow center as you inhale and moving straight back to the top of the spine, your Ajna Chakra. As you exhale, feel the breath moving from Ajna Chakra forward to the eyebrow center, your Ajna Kshetram. Move your awareness with the breath between these 2 points. While inhaling, feel the head expanding as the breath moves from the trigger point to your chakra in the back. While exhaling, feel the head contracting as the breath moves from your Ajna Chakra forward to the eyebrow center. Intensify your awareness of the psychic passage. Feel that with every breath you are connecting your Ajna Kshetram, your Ajna Chakra. Feel the breath moving between these 2 points. Experience the breath piercing your Ajna Kshetram and chakra point. Center your whole attention on the movement of the breath in the psychic pathway and continue for a few moments. Your third eye is located exactly in the middle of this passage, and as we move the energy and we're activating the passage, your third eye is also getting activated. Now begin to integrate the mantra Om into the practice. As you inhale, mentally repeat the mantra Om. Feel the mantra and breath moving from your kshetram straight into your chakra. As you exhale, mentally repeat the mantra Om. Feel the mantra and the breath moving forward all the way to the back. Experience the vibration of the mantra as it moves through the psychic pathway between those 2 points. Feel the mantra and breath purifying and opening your Ajna Chakra and your third eye. Intensify this awareness. Do not let your awareness slip for one moment. Continue in this way. Stay centered for at least 5 minutes. Namaste and thank you. If you have made it that far, please do like and subscribe. The next video is going to be the crown. We're going to do the same repeated thing, but this time in an order and faster to activate all of the chakra Shuddhis, and we are going to reach the crown. If you want to do the previous ones, you can go on the meditation for beginners, the videos, and you can find the last one on the top of the screen. I will put the link of the video. Please make sure that you do like, do subscribe. Thank you very much. Namaste. Have a beautiful day. Haram. Haram Tat Sat.